Hey, my name's Zach. If you're planning a trip and you need to make an itinerary, Publisher is a great program to do that. And if you come over here, I'll show you exactly what you need to do. So, I actually have an itinerary already built here, and we're just going to build it on this model. So, we'll hit Control N to get a new template. And what we're going to do is go to blank page sizes. We're just going to look for the 8.5 by 11. There it is. We'll hit Create, and it's right there. This blue dotted line is showing you what you have to work with. So we'll stay inside of that blue dotted line. Now what I'm going to do is insert some word art. We'll say OK, and we'll just say trip plans. You don't have to customize up through here because we're going to do that later. So we'll say OK, and we see trip plans here. We're going to put it directly at the top and drag out. And we'll make it look completely proportional. Now what we can do, since we have this word option here, is hit this button to format the word art. We'll select a different color of the line. We'll go blue, and the color of the text will be yellow. We can change the weight here as well, and what type of line it'll have. I'm just going to stay with the defaults on that. And we'll say OK. And now it's changed that. So we can close out of this word art menu here. Now what we're going to do is draw out a tiny square box. We're going to right-click the box, hit Format Auto Shape. We're going to change the color to a gray color and say OK. Let's do yellow instead. I think that looks better. And that's just around the line. So we'll right-click, hit Format Auto Shape again, and do a gray fill. Say OK. Now the next step is going to use a text box. So we'll go to Insert and Text Box. Draw the shape out in your square. And we'll just type September here. Can make it bigger. We'll just go 18. We can even zoom in with these buttons up here. So we'll say September 14th. And then what we're going to do is hit Tab 3 times. And we'll say what we're going to do. Say meet at school to go to Mexico. And we'll make sure we put a time. Now, what we're going to do is just copy this line, and you can actually put real information in here. What I'm going to do is just do this for the time being. Here is where you're going to list all your times and the places you're going to go. Now we're going to go and copy all of this. And this is what your itinerary would be laid out for that day. Now we're going to take a line and make sure we select the line color, and we'll do a bright orange. And we're just going to draw out a line. And if you press and hold Shift, it'll stay straight. Now we'll draw another line in between this one. And we can just hit Control-C to copy and Control-V to paste. Now we can just put that line there, paste one more. My name's Zach, and I just showed you how to make a trip itinerary in Microsoft Publisher. Thanks for watching.